What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and today we have a few deals for you. First, I want to start off with the Facebook group. Y'all have been doing a great job posting deals, and look at this. Dude, I still don't know how to say your name, so I'm just going to say Mr. Sanchez because I don't want to mess your first name up. All right, so he got these rationing tie downs from Home Depot for 1 cent. Ah, man, I don't know. He said they were on the clearance rack. Hey, look, I have these too. I've had them for a long time. They work pretty good. You can exceed 300 pounds pretty quickly, especially if you like using them for moving, and they'll come loose. But I've never had any major incidents or anything like that, so they work pretty well. The strap is a little thin, not thin, but it's short. It's not real wide, but for 1 cent, I'm buying everything they have in the store. Okay. I also want to report that people are getting their batteries. They're getting their batteries from the Metabo deals, the Metabo HPT deals, rather. I've got to specify that Metabo HPT because there's a huge difference between Metabo and Metabo HPT. And I also want to show this deal from Lowe's. So, join the group if you are in the Facebook. Join the group. Lots of deals being posted. This is incredible for $81. I don't like Lowe's, but when they messing up with prices like this, we're going to take advantage of Lowe's, okay? So let's move on. We're going to work our way from right to left today and start off with Home Depot. Now, I accidentally stumbled across this deal today. That this is $179. Comes with a 6 amp hour battery charger and the string trimmer kit. Now, the reason I'm even here is because Tools Direct over at eBay has the same deal for $174 plus 30% off, and it brings it to like $120 and some change. So that's up to you. This is going to be an open box or return, okay? So this might be a little dirty. Somebody used it. Or maybe they didn't. It could be brand new. Who knows? But it's definitely a return. So keep that in mind. But it basically should function as new, right? Oh, it says right there, use items function as new. Right, so it should function as new. Sometimes with Tools Direct, we get missing components, like the string might be missing or the battery might be missing. But if that is the case, you just reach out to them and say, hey, something was missing, blah, blah, blah. They'll give you, well, I can't say what they'll give you, but they'll make it right. Even if it's just to return it and you kind of wasted your time a little bit, yeah, maybe. But really, if you think outside the box, y'all, these are never a problem. And like I said, with Milwaukee tools, if you buy them from Tools Direct, they still have their warranty. You just can't tell them that you bought them used secondhand from Tools Direct. Just, I don't know where I got it from. It's broke though, and they'll just take the serial number and they'll warranty. So think outside the box. You'll be good. So anyway, but it's $179 at Home Depot. If you don't want to take that gamble or that chance with Tools Direct, or they're sold out because there's only 2 available, you can get it from Home Depot. Now let's move on over to Acme Tools. There's kind of a deal on Makita stuff. Kind of. Okay, so if you buy 2 bare tools, here we go. Over here, if you buy 2 bare tools, you get a free bare tool for doing that. So, it's all right. That's all right. I thought it was like a buy one, get one. But it's a buy 2, get one. And that's, yeah. So I'll leave this page up. You can go check it out if you want. To me, it's nothing really to write home about. Moving on, we also have this inflator, the M12 inflator over at Acme Tools for $99. Now, generally, the inflator itself is $99, but this is a kit for $99. So, you get yourself the little 2.0 battery, which they ain't doing nothing. That's going to do like maybe 2 tires for real. But hey, $99, not too bad. Plus, don't forget that Acme Tools has Rakuten. So if you are new to Rakuten, use my link to sign up. What it is a free cashback extension. So you just install it. Same for Retail Me Not. Retail Me Not is only offering 1% cashback. So Rakuten it is at 2% cashback. And plus, when you sign up using my link, you have to use my link. For Acme Tools, you get $30 when you spend $30. So on this deal, this would actually turn out to be $69 plus the 2% cashback off of the $99. So getting $2 plus you get $32 off right there. So not a bad deal there. And it'll really shine with the Makita, the 2%, and at $30 would also help you quite a bit if you were new to Rakuten. So let's move on over to Tools Direct. Well, let's start right here with the Tools Direct. I'm bringing Tools Direct back up because, again, they have really good deals sometimes. Sometimes the stuff is like same price. As you just saw, this string trimmer is $174 and it's on sale at Home Depot for $179. Obviously, don't pay $174 over at Tools Direct. Just pay the $179 and get it from Home Depot. But it's an additional 30% off. So that's saying a lot. Plus, you see this little pulsating thing up there? eBay also, you can do Rakuten. So you can get that $30 cash back there too. Or you could do, it says up to 1% cash back. Let's check Retail Me Not. Nothing, but they do have some coupon codes. So anyway, I pulled a few deals from here. There are some that are pretty good, especially with the 30% off. Let's go to them. We went to that one. Here you go, this Milwaukee Fan. And again, it says used, but that's just because we cannot post, because I post on eBay too, we can't post like open boxes anymore. We used to be able to do that, but now we can't. We have to say it's used. But yeah, this is a misting fan. This is not just a Whisper Jet that's normally $59 at Home Depot. It's the misting one, which is usually one something, and it's $60 here plus an additional 30% cash off. That's quite tempting, honestly, even for me, because man, but it's not hot anymore, and I don't know. I'll probably want this next year sometime. But anyway, so yeah, misting fan there, $59.99 with 30% cash back. You have this framing circular saw. Excuse me, you have this 6.5-inch circular saw, Milwaukee Fuel, $149. You get 30% cash back, which brings this to $99, $100 even. And then you have this Ryobi kit right here, $125 plus 30% off. And again, your Rakuten and all of that. But here's the thing about this one. I know I showed like a similar one yesterday on the Home Depot special buy, and I was like, but check this out. This comes with 2 high output 2 amp hour batteries. So that makes a heck of a difference. Plus you have the drill and you have the impact driver charger case, $125 with 30% cash off. That makes it like $85 or something like that. Crazy deal. And if you just go back over here, it's more stuff. Like, look at this. This that's kind of crazy. You get this drill, which is nothing to write home about, but you get 2 batteries, a circular saw, charger, and a bag. $60 plus 30% cash back. Well, this is $42. I mean, it's just funny deals, man. Sometimes the stuff is just so cheap, it's ridiculous. So anyway, that's today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully I was able to save you guys some money. If I did, please like, comment, subscribe, share. I want to roll to 100,000 subscribers within the next 12 months. I appreciate your help getting there, and I'll see you guys next time.